everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change audio language on Peacock TV. To change the audio language on your Peacock TV website, first of all open a web browser. Now type in peacocktv.com in the URL box and make sure to sign into your account after entering your login credentials. Once you're logged into your peacocktv.com account, go ahead and select a content that you'd like to change the audio language on. Start playing the content, and once it starts playing, click on this little speech bubble icon at the bottom left corner. Inside the audio menu, select a different language you'd like to change to for your audio. Soon after you click on one of the audio options, you will then be able to change the audio language for the chosen content. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.